Hey, that's a shape that's not my hat. Wow, look at how many sides this hat has.
Turn it around.
Sides, that's called an octagon. Is Goofy's hat shaped like an octagon? No, my hat's not hexagon or octagon. It's just gone. Come on, everybody.
Try the other one.
To the shoe garage and see if we can find the lost hat there. But everybody loves a nice octagon hat.
A big pile of leaves. The wind must have blown them there. Oh dear, the shoe garage can't open with all those leaves blocking the door.
We need to get in there and look for my hat. Maybe one of our mouse-catools can help us get rid of those leaves. Everybody say, oh, toodles! Oh, toodles!
Upside down. Turn it around. You gonna try a different one?
A giant marshmallow, a periscope, a really big fan, and the mystery mouse-catool. Which mouse-catool do you think will help us move those leaves?
Good job.
Right, the really big fan could blow the leaves away. We got ears. Say cheers.
Yep. Turn it around. Upside down. Turn it around this way. Now put it in. Good job.
Come on, everybody.
Try the 5. 5. Upside down. Turn it upside down. Like that. Put it in. There we go.
No hat.
You have some more. Where's the other ones? You sitting on them? Here's that one. And those two. You got some more. Put the rest of them in. You can do it. Turn it upside down. There you go. Okay, where's this one? Or this one? Nope. Does that go in there?
Huh? What's that? Up on the
Oh.
high shelf.
Good job. Do the last one.
It's so high up and I can't really see it from down here. I think it's time for a mouse-catool.
Turn it around.
Say, oh, toodles.
Turn it around like that. There we go. Say yay. Look at Mom. Say yay.